Okay, next we're going to do standard to vertex form by formulas, though. And the common practice is complete to square, but there are other ways to do things in math. In fact, there's like millions of ways to do things. So here's another way. Here's our standard form again, and we should write out, this is our y ax squared plus bx plus c, so ax squared plus bx plus c, right? And it's important we know that what our a value is. So our a value in this one is negative a half, our b value is negative 5, and our c value is positive 12. Those are really important. And our goal is to go to our vertex form, which is our a, h, and k. Now, what's really neat about this is there are two formulas that can do this for us. Well, one of the formulas will give us the h value from standard form. Another one will give us the k value from standard form. Neither of them give us the a value, but since the a value is the same in both, we already know what it is. What's the a value in the vertex form going to be? I'm looking at this.
Oh, negative 1 over 2?
Yeah. I can literally already start my formula. Y equals, and we'll write it in red, negative 1 over 2, x minus some h value plus some k value. We don't know what they are yet. So let's work with the h1 to start. Okay? And now I also wrote x to the v, which means it's the x value of the vertex. It's the same thing, h or x value of the vertex. So h equals negative b over 2a. Well, our b is negative 5, and our a is negative half. So that's going to become negative 5 over 2 times negative a half. So we're going to have to do a little math here. Negative 5 is positive 5. It's like multiplying by negative. And 2 times negative a half, well, half of 2 is 1, and it's a positive times a negative, so it's negative 1. 5 divided negative 1 is negative 5. So that's it. Our h value is negative 5. So we would put in here negative 5, which really means I can write this as x plus 5. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I'm going to just kind of do that, plus 5. Good, we have that part done. The last part, let's do the k value. K value, well, our c is 12, so 12 subtract. We already know the b value is negative 5. Negative 5 squared divided by 4 times, and again our a value is negative a half. So a little bed math to get through this. 12 will stay minus negative 5 squared is 25 divided by 4 times negative half. Positive times a negative will give us a negative, and 4 times a half, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, great. We still have to equate this before we do the addition and subtraction part. So 12 minus, I'm going to put this into a value because I don't want to work with fractions right now. Okay, so 25 divided by negative 2, you might want to take a calculator out. It's going to be, I can tell you, it's going to be negative 12.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I have 12 minus negative 12.5, which is the same as writing 12 plus 12.5. When we put those together, we get 24.5. And that's our k value. Which means I get positive. Luckily, it's already positive. If it was negative, I would have to change that. 24.5. And we actually just did this question by completing the square. So remember, let's take a look, see if we got the same answer. Positive 5 and positive 24.5. And look at that. Positive 5, positive 24.5. So I'm going to compare the both of them. And that's the difference between the formulas and the actual completing